Hi, this is Al from Carl's Buick GMC. This is the 2016 Buick Cascada convertible you inquired about. Gorgeous car. The sky blue with the black top. Rear park assist, nice chrome accents. It also has the rear backup camera, horsepower driver's seat, jet black perforated leather. Can't really see the perforations on the film. 8-inch touchscreen radio, of course AM FM CD, available XM. Get OnStar for 6 months for free. Cruise control. You can pair your up to 5 devices or Bluetooth for your phone. Power mirrors. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. And of course, one touch up and down for the convertible top. And GM says you can do it up to 31 miles an hour. Plenty of USB ports and extra power ports. Look forward to hearing from you.